Morning, guys. So I am really excited about this one because you can see a huge amount of oxidation on this one. So he's got some pretty fine scratches right here, you can see, but we'll be able to get those out. This is one of those vehicles there where it makes a huge difference with the headlights being all fogged. I mean, the truck looks beautiful, but the headlights just, it's like having yellow teeth. So let's get started. This one is a little tricky because it has this one trim piece that comes right through here. Luckily there's enough room to where I can just tape it pretty easily, so I'm going to make sure you get every single piece of it, because you do not want to be sanding the bumper or any trim pieces or anything like that. So Alright guys, we just sprayed it, so they're still wet, so they look a little foggy, but they'll gloss over. Came out like glass. Came out like glass. So this is actually the perfect spot because the sun is directly hitting the vehicle. So I'll tell the customer to leave it here for about 30 minutes in direct sunlight. It'll be tack free, but no pressure washing for at least 24 hours.